Hi children, let us do an interesting exercise. And what is that? The numbers just after. I give you a number and you learn to guess the number just after number. Okay? The number that I give you, you find just after number. Is very easy, is very interesting exercise for the mind. I hope you will enjoy this exercise. Just after. The numbers that come just after. Okay? Let's look at our first number. Alright? Now, you guess in your mind, look. What number is this? Number 6. And what are you doing? Tell me the number just after 6. Just the number that follows just after 6 is? Good. Number 7. Very clever children. Very easy. The numbers just after 6 is 7. Very good. You feel good when you get the correct answer? Good. Let's look at another number. Here we are. Another number here. And what are you supposed to find? Find the number just after 10. What number follows just after 10? The number that comes just after 10 is? Good. 11. 10, 11. Just after. Here, one number is more than the number given. That's all you need to remember. One number more than the number you say. Just after. So the number just after is? After 10 is? 11. Did you enjoy? It's a very interesting exercise, isn't it? Let's look at another number. Look what we have. What number is this? 1 and 5? 15. What is the number that will follow just after 15? The number that will follow just after 15. 1 and 5. 15 is? We have 16. Very good. 1 and 6? 16. 15 is the number. The number just after 15. The number that follows just after 15 is 16. 1 bigger than the number given. You enjoyed? Look. Let's take another number. Look what you have. Read aloud. 1 and 8. 18. What can be the number that just follows after 18? The number that comes just after 18 is? What number will follow? 19. Very good. The number that follows just after 18 is 19. 1 and 9? 19. Is it enjoyable? Yes. Shall we take another number? Good. Look. 2 and 1? 21. What can be the number that follows just after 21? The number that follows just after 21 is? One more. 22. 2 and 2? 22. The number that follows just after 21 is? 22. Very good. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another number. Look. What number is this? 2 and 4, 24. What is the number that will follow just after 24? The number that follows, the number that will come just after 24 is 25. 2 and 5, 25. So what is the number that follows just after 24? The number that follows just after 24 is 25. 2 and 5, 25. Good. Let's look at another number. What is this? 2 and 8, 28. We have number 28 here. What do you think is the number that just after 28? What can be the number that follows 28? After 28, what is the number that comes? Good. 2 and 9, 29. The number that comes just after 28 is 29. Very good. Let's take another number. What do you have here? 3 and 2, 32. What number is this? 3 and 2, 32. What's the number that will follow just after 32? The number that will come just after 32 is 33. 3 and 3, 33. The number that follows 32 is 33. Just after 32 is 33. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's take another number. Look. What number is this? 30, 3 and 6, 36. We have a number here, 36. Guess, what is the number that will follow 36? The number that follows just after 36 is 37. 3 and 7, 37. The number that follows just after 36 is 37. 36, 37. 30, the number that follows 36 is 37. Just after 36, 37. Did you enjoy? Look, let's take another number. What do you have here? 3 and 9, 39. What number is this? 3 and 9, 39. What is the number that follows just after 39? The number that follows just after 39 is 40. 4 and 0, 40. The number that follows just after 39 is 40. The number that comes after 39 is 40. Good. Let's take another number now. What do you have? 4 and 1, 41. What number is this? 4 and 1, 41. What is the number that will follow just after 41? The number that follows just after 41 is 42. 4 and 2, 42. You have 41 here. Number that comes after 41. The number that follows after 41 is 4 and 2, 42. Good. Let's look at another number now. Look. 4, 3. 4 and 3, 43. Number 43. The number that follows just after 43 is good. 44. The number that follows 43. The number that comes just after 43 is number 44. 43, 44. Good. Let's look at another number. Look. 4 and 6, 46. Number 46. What is the number that will follow just after 46? The number that follows just after 46 is number 4 and 7, 47. The number that comes after 46 is 47. Good. Let's take a new number. What number is this? 4 and 9, 49. What number? 49. Our question is, what is the number that will come, that will follow just after 49? The number that follows just after 49 is 50. 5 and 0, 50. The number that comes after 49 is 50. 5 and 0, 50. Good. Let's go to another number. Look. 5 and 2, 52. 5 and 2, 52. What number comes after 52? What is the number that comes just after 52? Just after 52 comes number 53. The number that follows 52 is 53. 5 and 3, 53. 52, 53. Did you enjoy? Good. You feel good that you're finding the number yourself. Let's take a new number now. 5 and 5, 55. What number is this? 55. What can be the number that follows just after 55? What can be the number that follows just after 55? The number that follows just after 55 is 56. 5 and 6, 56. The number that follows just after 55 is 56. Let's take another number. Look at the number we have. 5, 9, 59. What is this? 59. What can be the number that will come after 59? What is the number that just after 59? The number just after 59 is 6 and 0, 60. The number that comes after 59 is 60. The number that follows after 59 is 60. The number just after 59 is 60. Good. Let's take a new number now. What do you have? 6 and 2, 62. What is the number that comes after 62? What is the number that comes just after 62? Is the number that comes just after 62 is 63. Very good. 6 and 3, 63. After 62, 63 follows. Good. Here we have another number, a new number. What is it? 6 and 6, 66. What can be the number that will come after 66? What is the number that will come just after 66? The number that follows just after 66 is 67. The number that comes after 66 is 67. The number that comes just after 66 is 67. Good. Let's go to another number. Read on. 6 and 9, 69. What is the number that comes after 69? The number that comes just after 69 is 70. After 69, 70. The number comes just after 69 is 70. Good. Let's take a new number. What do you have here? 7 and 1, 71. What is the number that comes just after 71? What number comes just after 71? After 71 comes 7 and 2, 72. After 71 comes 72. Number that comes just after 71 is 72. Good. Let's take another number. 7 and 5, 75. What is this number? 75. What is the number that will follow 75? Number that comes just after 75 is 7 and 6, 76. The number that follows 75 is 76. What is the number that comes just after 75? 76. After 75 comes number 76. Good. Let's look at another number. Look what you have. 7 and 9, 79. What number is this? 79. After 79, what can be the number? What is the number that follows 79? Just after 79 is number 80. 8 and 0, 80. The number that follows 79 is 80. The number that comes just after 79 is 80. 8 and 0, 80. 79, 80. Good. Let's go to the next exercise. What number is this? 8 and 2, 82. What number? 82. What is the number that comes after 82? The number that comes just after 82 is 83. The number that comes after 82 is 83. The number that comes after 82 is 83. Very good. Shall we get on to another new number? 8 and 5, 85. What is the number that comes after 85? What is the number that comes just after 85 is 86. After 85 comes number 86. Number that follows just after 85 is 86. Good. Let's take a new number. Look what you have here. 8 and 9, 89. The number that comes just after 89 is, the number that follows 89 is 90. 9 and 0, 90. What is the number that comes just after 89? 90. The number that comes after 89 is number 90. Good. Let's take another exercise. 9 and 2, 92. What is the number that comes after 92? What is the number that comes just after 92? Is 93. 92, 93. After 92 comes number 93. Let's take another number. Look, 96. 9 and 6, 96. After 96 comes, the number that comes just after 96 is 97. After 96, the number that follows is 97. Good. Let's get on with another exercise. Look, 99. 9 and 9, 99. What is the number that comes just after 99? The number that comes after 99 is 100. 100. 99. The number that comes after 99 is 100. Good.